At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for musicians follows a similar process to setting up an LLC for any other business. Here are the general steps you would need to take. 1. Research and plan. Understand the benefits and obligations of forming an LLC. An LLC offers liability protection for your personal assets and allows for flexible management and tax options. Determine the specific requirements for musicians in your state or country. Laws and regulations may vary. 2. Choose a name. Select a name for your LLC that is unique and not already in use by another business in your state. Make sure the name reflects your music brand. 3. Register the LLC. File the necessary paperwork with the appropriate government agency in your state or country. In the United States, this is typically done with the Secretary of State's office. You'll need to submit articles of organization or similar documents, which usually include information about your LLC's name, address, registered agent, and purpose. Pay any required fees associated with registering your LLC. 4. Draft an operating agreement. While not always required by law, an operating agreement is a crucial document for outlining the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. This agreement should address how the LLC will be managed, the roles and responsibilities of members, profit distribution, decision-making processes, etc. 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your location and the nature of your musical activities, you may need specific permits or licenses to operate legally. This could include business licenses, performance permits, or sales tax permits. 6. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a bank account in the name of your LLC. This will help with accounting and tax purposes. 7. Get an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is a unique identifier for your LLC, similar to a social security number for individuals. You'll need an EIN for tax purposes, hiring employees, opening a business bank account, and more. You can obtain an EIN for free from the IRS. 8. Handle taxes. Understand your tax obligations as an LLC. Depending on how your LLC is structured for tax purposes, e.g., as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S-Corp, or C-Corp, you'll need to file taxes accordingly. Keep detailed records of your income and expenses for tax purposes. 9. Protect your intellectual property. As a musician, your intellectual property, songs, recordings, etc., is valuable. Consider trademarking your band name, logo, or other branding elements to protect them from unauthorized use. 10. Maintain compliance. Stay informed about ongoing compliance requirements for LLCs in your jurisdiction. This may include annual filings, renewals, and other administrative tasks.
11. Consult professionals.
Consider seeking advice from legal, tax, or financial professionals who specialize in working with musicians or small businesses. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation and goals. Remember, the exact process and requirements for setting up an LLC for musicians can vary depending on your location and individual circumstances. It's essential to do thorough research and ensure you're complying with all relevant laws and regulations. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.